Welcome to Journey Realty Group. Today we're diving into a topic that can make or break your home buying journey: how to secure the best mortgage rates. We all know that buying a home is one of the biggest financial steps you'll ever take, and it often comes down to securing the best possible mortgage rate to save money in the long run. Yet for many first-time buyers and even experienced homeowners, understanding how mortgage rates work and how to get the lowest rate can feel like a mystery. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what impacts mortgage rates, how to improve your chances, and tips on shopping for the best rate. Let's get started with the factors that play a big role in determining your mortgage rate. Section 1, the role of credit score in mortgage rates. One of the most critical elements affecting your mortgage rate is your credit score. Essentially, your credit score is a snapshot of your financial trustworthiness, and lenders rely heavily on it to assess the level of risk in lending you money. The higher your credit score, the lower the risk you present to a lender, and as a result, the better the mortgage rate you're likely to receive. So, let's break it down with a quick example. Let's say you have an excellent credit score of 750 or higher. You might qualify for a rate around 3.5%, while someone with a score in the mid-600s might face a rate closer to 4.5%. It might sound like a small difference, but over a 30-year mortgage, it can mean tens of thousands of dollars in extra interest. To keep your score high or improve it, try focusing on a few key habits: making payments on time, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding opening too many new accounts at once. Lenders prefer stability, so maintaining these practices consistently can make a difference. Section 2, how loan types impact rates. Another factor influencing your mortgage rate is the type of loan you choose. There are several types of mortgage loans, each with its own terms, conditions, and rates. The most common options include conventional loans, FHA loans, VA loans, and USDA loans. For example, conventional loans often require a higher credit score and down payment, but they tend to offer competitive rates for those who qualify. FHA loans, on the other hand, are often geared towards those with lower credit scores or smaller down payments, but they usually come with slightly higher rates to offset the added risk. VA loans, available to eligible veterans and service members, generally come with very competitive rates and require no down payment thanks to government backing. And USDA loans, geared towards rural properties, also have favourable rates but come with location and income restrictions. Choosing the right loan for your situation is about more than just the interest rate. It's about balancing the requirements with what works best for your financial situation. Each type has unique benefits, so comparing loan types can be just as important as comparing rates. Section 3, the down payment factor. Now let's talk about down payments. Many people don't realise that the size of their down payment can actually influence their mortgage rate. Generally speaking, the larger your down payment, the lower your rate might be. This is because a higher down payment reduces the lender's risk by giving you more equity in the home up front. For instance, if you put down 20% instead of 10%, you might qualify for a rate that's a 0.25% or even 0.5% lower. And remember, if you put down less than 20%, you're often required to pay for private mortgage insurance, or PMI, which adds to your monthly cost without lowering your rate. To put this into perspective, on a $300,000 home, a 0.5% lower rate could save you thousands over the life of the loan. So, saving up for a larger down payment is definitely worth considering if you want to lower your monthly payment and avoid extra insurance costs. Section 4, shopping around for rates. Now here's a tip that can make a real difference. Shopping around. Mortgage rates aren't one size fits all, and different lenders may offer different rates even for the same financial profile. That's why it's so important to get multiple quotes and compare. Studies show that people who get multiple rate quotes save on average around $1,500 over the life of their mortgage just by doing a bit of comparison shopping. Consider getting quotes from at least 3 different lenders, including traditional banks, online lenders, and local credit unions. And don't worry about your credit score taking a hit from shopping around. As long as you're rate shopping within a short period, Most credit scoring models will treat it as a single inquiry. You may also want to consider working with a mortgage broker who can compare rates from multiple lenders for you. Just make sure you understand any broker fees that might apply and weigh them against the potential savings. Section 5. Locking in your rate. Once you've found a mortgage rate you're happy with, there's one more crucial step: locking it in. A rate lock guarantees that the rate you've been quoted will stay the same until your loan closes, even if market rates go up. Most rate locks last 30 to 60 days, though you may be able to extend them for an extra fee if needed. The benefit of locking in is that it gives you peace of mind knowing that your rate won't suddenly jump if market conditions change. However, some lenders also offer a float down option, which allows you to lock in your rate while also getting a lower rate if rates decrease before closing. Locking your rate at the right time can make a difference, especially if you're buying in a market with fluctuating rates. To wrap things up, getting the best mortgage rate isn't about luck. It's about knowing the factors that lenders consider and using that knowledge to your advantage. To summarize, your credit score, loan type, and down payment all play a major role in the rate you're offered, so take the time to strengthen your financial profile before you start the mortgage process. And remember, always shop around and compare lenders to make sure you're getting the best rate possible, and don't forget to lock in that rate once you've found it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's thinking about buying a home. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about mortgage rates or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, happy house hunting with Journey Realty Group.